What's up, guys? Welcome to Unit 1, Lesson 3. For this assignment, if you have not finished Unit 1, Lesson 2, you are going to have to do that one first. This is a continuation from that lesson. And if you haven't completed the previous one, you're going to be extremely lost on this one and you're going to feel really behind. If you have finished the last lesson and you already turned in your exit ticket and you have it in and you have your supply kit, right? Mine is going to look different than yours. I don't have the exact same one as you. However, I still have the same assignment as you in here, right? If you have this, feel free to continue on with this video. All right. So remember that our ultimate goal is this project. Okay. But before we get to this part of the project, you guys only know how to draw one food, right? We need to build up to that one food. So what you're going to do, instead of drawing all of these foods, you're just going to pick one, all right? And you're going to get really good at drawing that one piece of food, all right? I'm not saying you're going to be a professional, but you're going to learn how to draw that food so well, and you're going to practice that food so well, you can do all sorts of different versions of it and put it into one whole piece. Okay. Remember, we talked about last week how we are going to be breaking down art to make it simpler, right? And something not as daunting. This is how we're going to do it, right? Well, not this specifically, but this is today's assignment. So what this is we're going to be drawing one food in a bunch of different versions. And by different versions, I mean it could be just as simple as the same thing, but turned in a different angle. Okay. You might think, oh, that's pretty easy. And for some people, yeah, it is going to be. But for other people, it might be harder. So I'm going to challenge you. If it is easy for you, you're going to do another food, right? You're going to pick a different food that's a little bit harder. You can do multiple foods if you want, but for this assignment, I'm only requiring one type of food. Again, this one is the hardest one, which is why I chose to do this one, since it has 4 different versions. So if you chose something simpler, if you choose to do, say, the donut, feel free to do that, right? I would say, though, because a donut has so many different versions, try to look up on Google different kinds of donuts. I chose sprinkled donuts, I chose glazed donuts, and I chose with this chocolate syrup, right? It is up to you, okay? All I'm asking you to do is pick one food, and you're going to practice that one food at least, at least 6 times, all right, or at least 5 to 6 times, okay? And you want to get as many versions as you can. That way, when it's time to make our final project, you're ready to make all these different versions, all right? And here's, again, another example. Okay, I have all sorts of different kinds of sushi here, right? But before I could put it together, I had to make sure I knew what to do by practicing it here first. Okay, so this is what we're doing today. We're just practicing different versions.